All right, so let's jump right out of the gates here on this Monday of what impacts you're going to be facing this week. And each morning this week will feature the chance we get some patchy dense fog starting tomorrow morning yet again into Wednesday morning. Could even be a little bit more widespread. So bottom line, there could be some slow travel, even a few issues getting out the door to some of our school districts. So make sure you pay close attention to that. Later this week, we still see continued dry weather every single day till we get toward the end of the weekend and early next week. Perhaps a subtle pattern shift that may finally bring rain chances back late in the weekend and into early next week. Current ratings, if you're closer to the lakeshore from Monroe through Oak Harbor to Port Clinton, Sandusky, you're in the 70s. Everywhere else, just about 80 or warmer. That includes Bowling Green, Napoleon, down toward Ottawa and Findlay, right around 84 degrees. There isn't a chance of a drop of rain in sight, and I know you're kind of begging for it at this point. 83 degrees for Tuesday. Morning fog will be a possibility. It should only be patchy, dense fog, not anything that's going to be widespread. 84 as we get into Wednesday, more morning fog that will be possible. And warmest day this week, that's going to be straight out of summer. Typical highs in late July are in the upper 80s, and here we are in mid-September, and we're going to target the upper 80s as we get into Thursday. Now, the late summer drought has really come on quickly, essentially a flash drought since the first day of August. A better part of about 45 days now, we've had 1.5 inches of total precipitation. That is now a deficit of over 3 inches. It has plunged us into moderate drought, and over that period since the 1st of August, now the 5th driest stretch on record, and it will remain that way as we plunge deeper into drought territory this week. Now tonight, it's a little bit of patchy fog with the longer overnight hours. We do see some reduction in the visibility. Could be lakeshore areas down into Wood County and parts of Hancock County that are more favorable to see that, and we should repeat that Wednesday morning. It could even be a little bit more widespread, including parts of the Toledo Metro, Fulton County, and up into southern Michigan. And again, don't focus on the exact location of that fog. It is very difficult to predict precisely where that fog will be developing, but conditions, they are possible that we get foggy mornings the next several days. Mostly sunny skies for Tuesday, 83 degrees. Enjoy the dry weather while we've got it. Be out there those late summer afternoons. They're going to be bright and warm. Wednesday, 84 degrees. Could you think about it? The air conditioner this week, 87 on Thursday. It is going to be a warm day. 84 on Friday. We are still dry through the end of the work week, and to start the weekend, 81 Saturday. And then a chance we get a few rain showers as we get into the end of the weekend and early next week as we officially head into autumn with highs much next week right around the upper 70s.